Okay, so I wanted to make a short video on how you can embed videos in your Frog page without using YouTube, without using Vimeo, and without using the media widget, because the media widget puts the file for the video into your Frog site, and what happens is if you have a lot of videos, the site then becomes very large, and if you want to assign that site, it can cause some errors. If you want to share that site, it can cause some errors, and if you want to duplicate that site to give a copy to another teacher, it can cause some errors. So what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to embed video without having to do any of the traditional things. First thing you're going to need to do is make a website like I did within Frog that is strictly for putting the videos on. And then the widget we're going to want to use is the link to file widget, which is this red one right here. I drag it over here, and now I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to select the video that I want to use. So choose file, and I need to pick something somewhat small. So let's just go with cold call rollout. It's 6 megs. It'll upload very quickly, and there we go, done. I'm going to label it cold call so I know what it is, but I'm going to uncheck force download. And now I'm going to save changes and go out of edit. When I click on this now, the video, if it's one that a web browser will recognize like an MP4, is now going to start playing right away in browser. I'm going to go up to the top, copy that URL, go back in the Frog. Now I'm going to go to the site I want to put it on. In this case, I'm going to click on my little test site here, and I click edit, and the widget we're going to use is the embed website widget. Now, if you know HTML coding, you can use the HTML widget and put your own iframe coding around this URL, and then you can get a little bit more customization. But for the general teacher, the embed website widget is going to work. I'm going to paste the URL where it says enter URL, and since this is about half, I'm going to make that about 300 and save changes. When I go out of edit, this video is going to load and immediately start playing, but its file size is not going to take up any space on this particular site.